Hello everybody. Today we can see about Erba Mannheim product. This is a front view of this product. Here we can see the brand name Erba Mannheim, and this is a top view. Here we can see the brand name Erba Mannheim. On the other side we can see the product details. This is the back view of this product. Here we can see the brand name Erba Mannheim. On the other side we can see the product details. This is the code number of this product. The code number is 120248 and the product name is LIQUIXXM 5 into 10 ml uric acid kit. This uric acid kit is used to do quantitative determination of uric acid levels in human blood or serum. This kit contains R1 uric acid reagent 5 into 10 ml. Then uric acid standard 6.0 mg by dl 1 into 5 ml. We can store this reagent kit between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain this temperature of this product. Here we can see the other stuffs, manufacturing details, lot number, then expiry date and manufacturing details. This is a C certificate reagent kit. This is the front side of this product. Thank you.